Ni hao ya. I am Ricky, your baker for today. Or in Chinese, Mian Bao Shi. Pandesal is the most popular bread in the Philippines, usually eaten in breakfast or snack either by itself or with a spread. The name pandesal means salted bread in Spanish. These are the ingredients in making pandesal. Let's start combining our active yeast,
sugar, and warm milk, and stir until the yeast and the sugar are fully dissolved.
So now let's combine our dry ingredients, starting with flour, our salt, sugar, baking powder. Mix well by stirring. Add the dry ingredients to our mixture. Mix again until the dough is formed.
You may use a stand mixer with dough hook if you have one, until the texture becomes fine. Mold the dough into a round shape, then put back in the mixing bowl. Cover with cloth and let the dough rise for 1 hour. Put the dough back to the flat surface and divide it into equal parts using a dough slicer. Roll each part until it forms a cylindrical shape. Slice the dough diagonally. These slices will be the individual pieces of the pandesal. Roll the sliced dough over the breadcrumbs and place on a baking tray with wax paper. Make sure to leave gaps between each piece as they will rise later on.
Preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Put the tray dough in the oven and bake it for 15 minutes. It smells good. Let's turn off the oven. Serve hot with cheese, sardines, ham, or liver spread. Or just eat it by itself. Some people like this dipping in their hot cup of coffee or chocolate. Enjoy eating. Yong Chan Yu Kwai.